Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about sliders in design. Sliders allow users to make selections from a range of values. They are ideal for adjusting settings such as brightness, volume, etc. Sliders can have icons on both sides of the bar. When you're designing a slider, make sure to pay attention to the following things. Number 1. States. Design all states of the slider such as enable, disable, tapped, hover, etc. just like buttons. Number 2. Adjusting. Sliders should only be used for choosing selections from a range of values. Number 4. Quickness. Sliders should react immediately, so changes must be instantaneous. And last but not least, accessibility. Sliders should provide the whole range of choices available to the user to select from. If you look at the picture on the right side, you can see that we have two different sliders. The first one is continuous slider. And as you can see in this kind of slider, you can modify it continuously and without any interruption. On the other hand, in the second type of sliders, which is discrete slider, you cannot modify it without any interruption. There are some fixed points that the user can choose from.